In this video, you're going to learn how you can make from $3,000 to $6,000 every single day using a very easy way to make money. Now, if it sounds too good to be true and you don't believe it, I don't blame you. I didn't believe it either until I saw it, but I'm going to show you how this works right now. Now, the first thing we're going to do is going to youtube.com. Now, why are we going into youtube.com? That's because I want to show you some YouTube channels that are making bank right now and how they're doing it so you can start doing it yourself. Don't worry, this is pretty easy to do. You're not going to have to make videos. You're not going to have to appear on camera. You're not going to have to do anything. Just stick with me, follow what I do, click where I click. By the end of this video, you're going to be ready to start making money, and a lot of it. So if you go into YouTube and you type in relaxing white noise, this is a YouTube channel that posts only white noise videos. And white noise are just ambient sounds like tree sounds, raining sounds, thunder sounds, all that kind of stuff that people really like to listen when they try to sleep at night. Now, you might be asking yourself, what does this have to do with you making from $3,000 to $6,000 every single day? Well, if you go into this channel, you're going to see that their most popular videos are getting 174 million views, 137, 136, 58, 58, 39. All these videos are getting hundreds of millions of views. And if you go into Social Blade and you check out their channel, you're going to see that Social Blade estimates that they're making around $2.8 thousand every single day to $6.3 thousand every single day. So this channel is making from $3,000 to $6,000 every single day just posting white ambient videos. And if you look up my channel on Social Blade, it's going to tell you that my channel earns from $123 to $2,000 every single month. And it says that my channel is earning anywhere from $23 to $409 every single day. That I can tell you that this number is not accurate. So from what I can see here, this channel must be making a lot more money than Social Blade thinks that it is making. It estimates that it's making around $65 to $1 million every single year. They're making $86,000 every single month. And from what I know to be true from personal experience, that they're making a lot more than this. And what I want you to do here is I want you to copy their videos. And if you can get even a percentage of the views they get, even if you get 10% of the views from 174 million views, that's already 17 million views. So if you can get 10% of that, that's already awesome. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to their channel, you're going to click on videos. And if you have the VIII extension, like I told you guys in my previous videos, VIII and TubeBuddy extensions, which I have the links for in the description of the video, you can just click the tab trending and it's going to show you which videos are trending in their channel so you can copy the videos that get the most views recently. So as you can see, I just clicked here trending, and white noise black screen is getting 6,165 views every single hour. This one is getting 4,389 views every single hour. This one 2,000, this one 1,900. So all of these videos are trending and getting a lot of views. And as you can see, they're getting they have a total of 10 million views, 136, 174, 137, 58. So they're very popular. People really like this. And I have a friend that only sleeps with white noise. There are companies dedicated to making actual hardwares, like machines that people put in their houses just to play white noise while they're asleep. So I know that there's a huge market for this, and this just proves what I'm saying right now. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy the topic of their 10 most viewed videos, and you're going to copy them and make them yourself. So how do you make these ambient sound videos? Well, it's pretty easy. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to the channel right now if you haven't subscribed yet, because I literally post 3 videos every single week on this channel showing you how you can make money online. This is literally all I do here. And if you're not subscribed, you might miss the future videos. Now, to make these videos, as you've seen right now, you don't have to show yourself on camera. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to speak. You don't have to talk. You don't have to appear. You don't have to script anything. It's pretty easy. And that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to walk you through how you can build one of these videos really easy and really fast. And you don't have to spend any money on it if you don't want to. This is going to require a editing software. So if you're using a Mac computer, you can get iMovie for free. And if you're using a Windows computer, you can get DaVinci Resolve for free. But with the method that I'm going to show you, you could even use Windows Movie Maker to do it, that it would work. Okay, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is get an image or a video, put on the video, and then put some music, some sounds in the background, which is pretty easy to do. And I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. Hey guys, I just wanted to drop in here really quick and tell you about my new course, which is called Pro University. For you guys that want to make money online and you can't get off the ground, Pro University is going to offer you lots of ways that you can use to make money online. If you're interested in a course, it's only 49 bucks a month, which I can promise you that you're going to be able to make more money than you're going to be spending on it. If you actually follow the lectures inside the course, there's no doubt you will be able to build a profitable business online. If you're struggling to pay credit cards, if you're struggling to pay some bills right now. Don't hesitate to check out the course. Inside the course, there's also a Discord group which you're going to have private access to, that I'm in there at least once every single day answering all the questions that you have personally. So that means when you get in the course, apart from all the video tutorials that you're going to be seeing, you're also going to have my help. And on the videos inside Pro University, I'm able to do something that I can't do here on YouTube, which is go in depth into all of these topics, explain every single topic that there is into building a profitable business. And I'm able to do that without having to worry about the YouTube algorithm promoting my video or not. So if you're interested, just click the link below in description. It's called Pro University. It's going to be there for you for 49 bucks a month, and you can even affiliate yourself to the program to be able to earn a 25% commission every time you make a sale. So that's it. Let's get back to the video. And just to make sure that you have success, please click where I click, do what I do, and by the end of this video, you're going to be ready to make money. If you're subscribed to the channel, you already know the drill. Let's get started. One thing that I forgot to mention is if you want to use a very good editing software, even better than the ones that I've mentioned right now, you can use Adobe Premiere Pro, which is the editing software that I use, and you could even use Final Cut Pro if you're using a Mac. All right, but I would recommend Adobe Premiere Pro, which is the one that I'm most used to using. Okay, so let's get started. So right now, I just opened Premiere Pro, which is my editing software. You can open whatever editing software that you have that you're going to use for this video. But now first we need to gather all of our resources. And when I say resources, I mean we need to gather the video or the image that you're going to use in your rain video or whatever white noise you're going to do. And we need to get the actual noise, right? So that's what we're going to do right now. And I'm going to show you where you're going to get those resources. So you're going to go to google.com and you're going to use any of these 4 sites that I'm going to show on the screen for you right now. So the first website is called Unsplash, or is it Unsplashed? Something like that. Raw Pixels, Pexels, and Pixabay. In all of these 4 websites, you can find videos and images, high quality images and high quality videos to use on your videos, which are copyright free. You don't have to worry about any copyright issue. You have full license to use them, even if you want commercially. So for this video, I just chose Pixabay. I just wrote Pixabay on Google, and I'm going to click the first link, which is pixabay.com. After you enter the website, what you're going to do is you're going to try to find some kind of image or video related to what you're going to post. So I'm going to click videos right here at the top, and I'm going to write ambient raining, see what shows up. All right, right off the bat, I can see some videos here in HD and 4K. And the way you know that is here on the top, HD and 4K. This one is pretty cool. This one as well. All of them are in 4K and they're 30 seconds long. I kind of like this vibe of video, so I'm going to click that one. I'm going to download this video for free. As you can see here, free download. All you have to do is click free download. I'm going to choose a 4K video, download, and just wait for it to be downloaded. Now for the rain sounds, I went back to youtube.com, which is where you're watching this video right now, and you're going to look for the type of sound that you're looking. I typed here rain sounds, but if you're looking for something like thunder sounds, you could just thunder sounds in, right? It's going to give you epic thunder sounds, 10 hours of thunder sounds. Oh, by the way, these people that just showed up here is the relaxing white noise. As you can see, 137 million subscribers, and this one is a different channel, Stardust Vibes Relaxing Sounds. This guy has 1.4 million subscribers, and this video has 53 million views. And as you guys can see, lots of people are using this and making a lot of money. If I check this guy right now, Stardust Vibes, he would probably be making a lot of money. Okay, so I don't want thunder sounds, I just want rain sounds. Let's go back to the rain sounds. Okay, so I'm going to go with this first one here. All right, and this video is actually live, so I'm going to look for a different video that is not live, that we can download the video sounds and use them. Okay, so I like this one. It's pretty nice. It has some thunder sounds into it as well, and I'm just going to download this video. What you want to do is you want to copy the link for the video. You want to go to Google and you want to type in YouTube video downloader to MP3, and whatever shows up, you can use that one. I'm just going to use the first one that popped up. I'm going to paste the YouTube video link here, and it's going to convert it into MP3. So we can use that to create our video. Okay. All right. So it finished converting. Now we can download the video, the actual MP3 sound. Sorry. Okay. So it started downloading. Should take a few minutes. Let's just wait for that. And while we're waiting for it to be downloaded, I just want to show you guys that this video right here has a spreadsheet. And if you want to go from channel to channel, writing down the videos that have the most amount of views so you can use it to make your own videos, this channel that I have on my YouTube channel is called How to Find Your YouTube Niche Fast. It has a download link for a template that you can use to do exactly that. It's not just how to find your niche. You can also use this template. It's a spreadsheet to find video ideas. Okay. And also you can go into my channel and look for this video here, how to make a viral YouTube video. This video shows you how you can find viral YouTube video ideas. Like I showed you in that video, it's going to give you a Notion template that you can download from the description as well. It's here, link to the template. You can just download it right here. Click this, is going to take you to the download for the Notion template for you to create viral videos that people are actually interested in watching. Okay, so these two videos are going to be very good resources for you guys to create the videos that you want to make the most amount of money possible. Okay, so I just wanted to point that out. If you're having trouble, at the end of this video here, I'm going to point you guys to that video. I'm going to give the link for you guys at the end of this video, so you can just click and go to whatever video you want to watch. All right, okay, so now I've just imported the videos into the software, which is Premiere Pro, and this is the video and this is the sound. So I'm going to throw the video here in the timeline. As you can see, this is pretty easy to do. You just drag and drop. There you go. Here's our video. All right, as you guys can see, it's raining on the background. It's a pretty nice ambient. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to duplicate this, which on the Mac, all you have to do is click Option and drag, and you can duplicate the video. If you want to duplicate it in a different way, all right, so now if I play it back, you're going to see that one ends, it goes straight into the other one. So it never ends. It keeps going. Okay, so you can do this as much as you want. You can even you can copy this, like Control C, and then you can do Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, and make like a, let's say, 15-minute video, like I just did right now. As you guys can see, I just copied and pasted a lot of stuff, and now we have a 15-minute video. Let me just remove this one. All right, so we have a ongoing 15-minute rain sound, and as you guys can see, there's also a cup of coffee here in this room, which looks kind of nice. It brings a nice vibe into the video right here. If I play it, you see it's steaming out and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so it's pretty cool. And what you have to do now, all you have to do is just drop the sound into the timeline, and you're going to cut the sound so it ends at the end of the video. And what you have to do is click C on your keyboard, which means cut, or you can just come here and choose this blade right here, and then you're going to bring your cursor and cut the video. After you've done that, just click delete, and now we have our video. That's it. That's all you have to do. The video is done. All right, let's watch it. So the video is perfectly done. The sound is playing on the background. There's a raining room, and it's perfect. If you post this every single day, I can guarantee that you're going to start making at least 10% of the money of that channel really quickly, especially if you use the techniques in the other two videos that I've just showed you. So after you finish the video, all you have to do is export the video, save it to your computer. So rain sound video, I'm going to choose YouTube 4K. Okay, so that's it. I'm just going to export the video. Now my computer is saving this video to my computer with the sound, and all I have to do is create a new channel and upload those videos. And the way you do that, I also have a video teaching you how to do that, which is the one that I'm going to show you right now. So this is the video that I've created teaching you all you need to know about creating your channel, setting it up for success, and getting to your 0 from 1,000 subscribers really fast. So if you want to see this video for how to create a YouTube video, how to set it up, how to put the settings to make the channel work, use hashtags, tags, all that kind of stuff, this video here is going to give you all that information. All right, and if you're having trouble to find my videos, all you have to do is go into my channel, click playlists, scroll down, and then you're going to be able to see this playlist right here, which is called Social Media Growth. In this playlist, I have all those videos teaching you how you can start a YouTube channel, how you can grow a YouTube channel, how you can find your niche, how you can make a viral video, all that kind of stuff. It's all here. Okay, so if you're having trouble finding those videos, this is where you can easily find them. And again, I'll have the link to the playlist in the description of this video that you're watching right now to make it even easier for you. Now that you have your video ready, all you have to do is go into your YouTube channel, start posting videos every single day. One thing that I want to point out for you guys here that I see many of you doing wrong is don't post like 100 videos in a single day. Just post one video a day for a week, and then you can post one video in the morning, one video in the afternoon, and then after 2 weeks, then you can post one video in the morning, one video in the afternoon, and one video at night. Start slow and go ramping up as you go on, because the YouTube algorithm might think that you're trying to spam platform, so they might kill your views just because of that, and I don't want that to happen to you guys. Okay, now all of the links mentioned in this video are in the description of the video, and if you want to go check out all of those 2 videos, I'm going to give them right here for you right now to make it even easier. I'll see you on the other video. Work hard, play harder.